If your Kivy Android app crashes with a message like import error, cannot import name preview from vendor_c4k.preview_Kivy camera, you're not alone. The problem isn't your Python code, it's what actually shipped inside your APK. In this video, we'll unpack what Buildozer really does with camera for Kivy, why some versions silently miss the Java side of the camera provider, and how to verify exactly what's inside your build. Here's the part most tutorials skip. The requirements line in buildozer.spec doesn't mean install these into a virtual environment. It means package these targets into the APK. Python for Android may build a compiled recipe, vendor raw Python files, or will install pure Python packages. But it doesn't guarantee they show up in any pip freeze command. That's why checking your desktop virtual environment tells you nothing. The truth lives in the build logs and the APK contents. Step 1. Read the build logs. Build with verbosity and search for key lines using the command showing on your screen. Look for including recipe, installing Python package, or explicit errors. These tell you whether camera for Kivy was actually processed. Step 2. Inspect the APK's Python payload. Inside every APK, Buildozer stores your Python world in assets/private.mp3. Now, it's not an audio file, it's a zip archive. You can extract it like this. You should see either a camera for Kivy folder or your vendor_c4k files. That proves the Python layer shipped. Step 3. Check the Java and native side. Camera for Kivy also needs Android classes. If those are missing, your app will crash even though the Python import works. Using the command showing on your screen, confirm that the camera provider classes appear inside classes.dex or bundled AARs. Step 4. This is optional. Peek at the Python for Android virtual environment. Buildozer's internal venv is informational only. If nothing shows up, that's fine. It may have been recipe built or vendored. The APK inspection is what really matters. Step 5. Add the commands showing on your screen to your app's startup to confirm which module was imported on device. The path printed should live inside your embedded site packages. Let's understand the failure modes. Python present, Java missing. That's when your APK shipped the Python layer but not the Android camera classes. Align versions or add the matching AAR or Gradle dependency. If you got nothing present, packaging failed. Check for typos or missing recipes in the build log. Lastly, if you got import mismatch, your code imported symbols that didn't exist in the bundled module. Inspect the shipped files and adjust your imports. Let's talk about 3 reliable fix paths. Fix A, pin a compatible version. Rebuild and verify with the same inspection steps. Fix B, vendor consistently. If you ship vendor_c4k, include its matching Android library or a Gradle dependency line. Rebuild and check that the Java classes now appear in classes.dex. And the third fix C is when to align imports. Some versions rename preview to preview Kivy camera. Always import the symbol that actually exists in the shipped module. Think of your APK like this. That private.mp3 file is your entire Python environment. Inspecting it is how you confirm what truly shipped. So here's the rule of thumb. Trust the APK and the logs, not your desktop virtual environment. In Buildozer and Python for Android, requirements are packaging instructions, not pip installs into your environment. When the Python layer is there, but the Java classes aren't, you've hit the classic camera for Kivy mismatch. Fix it once, verify it properly, and you will never chase this ghost again. Thanks for watching.